Here is the package of the PTT Walkie Talkie from Baofeng, and we received it through Amazon. So this cost for 2 units. This cost around 2,400. So let's take a look how it is. So this is the box from Baofeng. So as you can see, it's a portable 2-way radio. The model number is BF-888s, and it has got scrambler, noise reduction circuit, long standby time, long communication range, high capability lithium-ion battery. So one plus point is we don't need AAA cells. We have battery which can be recharged, and as I have read, the battery life is around 5 to 6 hours. And this can be easily purchased from the Baofeng 888s, and this can be easily purchased from Amazon at around 2,400 for 2 pieces. So all these are available inside the box. We get the Baofeng units, so the clips have been attached to it. So this you can clip it to your belt or to your backpack, and it has the built-in battery over here, and also you have a antenna which can be screwed in for extra range. Also you get the user manual, so you have a detailed user manual with all the available parts and how to fix it, and you have a thank you and a support number. So this is what all comes in the box. Also you have 2 charging units. So these are the charging units that they come with. So I was charging my stuff, and now they are fully charged. So it's very easy. You just have to plug it in to any normal AC unit, and then you just have to keep your receiver unit and your walkie-talkie in it, and it gets charged by itself. So it's very easy to use. You have about the system. So this is the power on button.
Power on.
And it says power on and the channel number. And there are different channels over here.
6, 5.
So we can adjust
4,
the channel.
3, 5, 6, 7.
So right now I have both my units at channel 7.
Power on. 6. 6.
So now both the units are at 6 and they can receive and talk. So this is the push to talk button. So when we want to talk, we have to push, and it is going to be received in the other unit, and then again we can push here and talk in this unit. We also have a voice noise reduction, ambient noise buttons over here, and we have the microphone jack over here. So they do not give us the microphone for this, but we are going to get the microphone separately because we need that. So it's a very useful unit, and I suggest when you're not using it, you switch it off. We ride a lot, and these are the intercom devices we use. So Sid is using the Sena 20S Evo, and I had the BTS2. So these were the intercom devices which we were using, and for their price, the Sena is very expensive. It comes at around 20,000, and the BTS2 retails for around 4,000. And now we are going to use the Baofeng. So according to Baofeng, this has a range, an effective range of more than a kilometer, and these they normally fizz out at a range of 800 meters. But the thing is, Sena only connects to another Sena. The BTS2 can pair with other similar devices, but audio quality is pretty good in the intercom devices because they feed right into the helmet. But for our purposes, we need to try the walkie-talkie because the range is more, and it's more reliable than the intercom devices, because sometimes we need to call using the intercom devices, and if there is no tower or on our cellular network, or our mobile phone batteries are low, so we cannot use them. So this might be a better option. So we're going to test it out on the road, and after that we're going to confirm how these